Latest stylish double neck design. Width, 3.5 inches. Depth, 3.5 inches. Width, 0.6 points.
Yeah.
Gap, 1.2 inches. Width, 0.6 points. Now, cut it along the drawn pattern. Take rayon paper and make a strip. Length, 8 inches. Width, 0.6 points. Cut it along marked line.
Yeah.
Neck cutting done. Take front neck and stitch it. Shirt's front panel. Attach neck onto fabric. Trim this excess of fabric. Stitch along the edge. Hand sew it. Neat finish after hand sew. Top part of neck. Stitch it along the edge. Stitch along the edge. Take an extra piece of fabric for neck finishing. Stitch along the edge.
Yeah.
Trim this excess of fabric. Stitch along the edge. Cut it at 1/2 inch. Hand sew it. Make a strip as it's got guiding to you. Stitch along the edge. Stitch it accordingly, strip size. Stitch along the edge. Neatly finished strip. Attach top neck and strip onto the shirt. Mark center point. Distance, 1 inch. Stitch along the edge. Take back neck and stitch it. Stitch along the edge. Shirt's back panel. Attach neck onto fabric. Trim this excess of fabric. Stitch along the edge. Stitch at one point. Stitch the shoulders as it's guiding to you. Hand sew it. Neat look.